How to delete Messenger notes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, you will see your profile icon on the top left of your screen. Tap on that and you will see the option for your notes. So tap on your notes, and in the interface that you will be now led to, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for delete. So tap on the delete option, and with this, your notes will be deleted. So this is how you can delete notes in Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.